So how the meta description and meta title should be done, and why it's so important. First of all, if the title or description is not really correct, or it's really like I would say so, it's really bad one, the Google will change it. And this is especially valid for the content description. So Google sometimes partially will display results and then it will adjust the description to the part of the content that Google displays. But in general, this what is very, very important, and you have to know, Google looks always on the title and description as a click-worthy element. So for Google, this is like your advertising. It's your information to a user why they should read your article. So what is in the article and why they should choose your article above the competitors. So on one side, we have a semantical relation, and on the other side, we have something which can be seen as a click-worthiness or clickbites. So for example, the dates in the titles and so on. So because of that, we in NEURON, we are giving you a lot of points if your title and description are really good ones. And what it means a good title and good description. Here we have an example of your competitors. So if you click here, you will see the competitors usage. And as you can see here, the best marathon shoes, best marathon shoes, best marathon shoes. Everywhere, almost everywhere, you have a best marathon shoes and the date, of course, and so on. So Google already understands from the title and sometimes the URL as well. This is why we are giving you here the URL. So best running shoes, best marathon running shoes, best marathon running shoes, and so on. This is why we give you those examples. Yeah, because why you are willing to have a best shoes? Because you would like to win the marathon, yes? So the best marathon running shoes helping you to win in 2022. So this is the communication that we provide to the user, like, okay, that are the shoes which are help you to win the race. This is our main focus point here. And then you have a description, what is in the content. Of course, you can write this description just as a last part of your article, but I will just use the examples here provided by competitors. Okay, so I just prepare here a title and description, which in my opinion should be catchy. And yeah, that's exactly what we are going to propose to our visitors. And also you can always check with the checklist. So in the checklist, as you can see, we have a meta title and meta description. Here is the word for missing. I will just keep it as it is. When your title and description is ready, you can check with the checklist. Yeah, looks fine. 80, 100, 100, 100. So 92. And we are fine with the main keyword. This is the most important. And then you have to work on the content, which will be in the next sections.